In this video, we will learn how to password protect an Excel workbook. In certain situations, you may feel you want to password protect an Excel workbook. Once you password protect an Excel workbook, anyone that attempts to open the workbook will need to enter the correct password. The first step to set a password for an Excel workbook is to choose File, Info, Protect Workbook, then select Encrypt with Password. The Encrypt Document dialog box launches. You will be prompted to enter a password. I will enter a password. There's also a note in the dialog box that says, "Caution, if you lose or forget the password, it cannot be recovered. It is advisable to keep a list of passwords and their corresponding document names in a safe place. Remember that passwords are case sensitive, so you really do need to be careful not to lose your password." I will click OK, then re-enter the password, then click OK once again. Now you can see the Protect Workbook area has this tan shaded color, and a message appears that a password is required to open this workbook. I will now close this file, save it. The next time someone opens the workbook, they will be prompted for a password. I will now open the file. As you can see, a password dialog box displays requiring a password to be entered. I will enter the password that we previously specified. Click OK, and now we have access to the workbook. In the previous section, we learned how to password protect an Excel workbook file. Now, what if we want to remove a password from a workbook? The first step is to open the password protected workbook. I will reopen the Excel file that we previously password protected. As you can see, we are prompted to enter the password. I will enter the password, click OK. Now we have gained access to the Excel file once again. Now the next step is to go to File, Info, Protect Workbook, then select Encrypt with Password. The Encrypt Document dialog box displays. The next step is to click in the password area, then delete all the password characters. Then click OK. Now you can see the area around the Protect Workbook button no longer has a tan shade. I will next close the workbook, save the file, and I will reopen it once again. This time you see that the file opened without requiring a password because we removed the password protection. In this video, we learned how to password protect an Excel workbook file. We also learned how to remove a password from a previously protected file. I hope this video has been helpful to you in learning about password protecting files in Excel. Please leave us a comment below to let us know. Also, leave us a comment if there is an Excel topic you want us to cover next. We really appreciate you supporting the channel. Please give the video a thumbs up and also consider subscribing so the channel can grow, which will allow us to create more content that will help you improve your skills. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay inspired and keep learning.